I'm Kevin. I'm an advanced repair technician at Comcast. Anything to do with home security that gets escalated to corporate comes on my desk, and I'm the one that reaches out to the customer and owns it. Make sure that from beginning to end, everything's done and that customer's taken care of. You may have to pull up the account and do some research, get some information on what was done at the job to solve the problem. I work with technicians that are out on site, that they're having difficulties getting a touchscreen up or anything on the back end that's giving them issues. To find success in my role, I feel like you need to be adaptable. You have to have conversations. You have to be a team player to make it in this environment. It's one team, one dream. You need to be able to change at moment's notice. And that's what life is. That's what technology is. That's the part I love. I love it that I can fix stuff and make it right for someone. After I see it through and everything's back up and running, then we'll revisit and make sure that everything is the way it's supposed to be at the end and they're good to go. That's kind of my day-to-day. So you want to play ball later?
Yeah.
All right. I'll get off of work, we playing. To work from home was a big thing for me just because I felt like it was gonna bring me closer to my family. And that speaks volumes for the company to give you that. Hey, let them be at home, let them be with their families. And they've seen the numbers change. Man, you guys are happier. They're doing better than they were in office. And it's because you're able to spend that time with your family and still do your job. I've been about technology all my life. I've always played with things, I've always taken things apart. This could be better if we could do this. Or wouldn't this be amazing? We could add this to it. And now actually having a voice where you can say that. We have products that are coming out that are all because we voiced opinions. So if I learn something, I'm passing it on to the next person. That's the key to it all, unlocking the people. If I can have everybody from different backgrounds and different walks of life work together and having the diverse group that we have that we work with here at Comcast, that's what keeps us ahead of it all. When you join a company, you want to be in a position where you're heard, you're a part of the team, and you're a part of that family. That's what it'll feel like being a part of Comcast.